Are you looking for a premium dining destination that promises not just good food, but a variety of food made to be savored? Hello, fellow food trippers! Please join us to dine at Food Club on the second floor of Food Avenue at Appetizer Mall, Quezon Avenue, corner Roosevelt, Quezon City. Food Club is the new go-to place for diners craving eat-all-you-can Asian comfort food and international cuisine at very affordable prices. To start our journey, we explore Western-inspired dishes, freshly baked pizza, creamy pasta with garlic bread, and roasted favorites such as herb-roasted chicken and pot roast beef served with creamy mashed potatoes, braised pork ribs in honey sauce, and fish fillet with lemon butter sauce complete this comforting selection, all cooked to perfection and reminiscent of home. After enjoying Western dishes, we balance our plates at the salad and appetizer station. Fresh greens, colorful toppings, and international starters invite us to create light and refreshing meal combinations. Next, we move on to the Japanese station, where main dishes of tori karaage, katsu curry, along with vegetable oshinku, fried fish salmon head, calamari, and tempura are served. As we finish with our Japanese favorites, we prepare our appetites for even more variety. We are happy to find that the Asian hot dishes station has it all. From the DIY shabu-shabu, cooked in a minute, which shines with natural flavors of the meat, shrimp, and veggies, alongside our flavorful dim sum, such as siomai dumplings, chicken feet, siopao buns, gyoza, Shanghai rolls, and steamed shrimp. Next, we feast on slow-roasted, juicy, and crispy pork belly with liver sauce. Each slice of this Pinoy favorite comes tender and packed with mouth-watering goodness. For the rest of the buffet, we indulge in a variety of juices and sodas, as well as San Miguel draft beers, light and pale pilsen, that suit any drinker, any craving, on any occasion. And of course, no buffet is complete without the dessert station. The buffet is spread with refreshing fruits like watermelon, honeydew, pears, and pineapple. There is also a sweet haven of cookies, donuts, breads, and ensaimadas that pairs well with a hot cup of tea or brewed coffee. And Filipino classics of native kakanin like bibingka, puto, biko, kutsinta, palitaw, and sapin-sapin, including the best summer cooler, halo-halo. Don't miss the soft-serve vanilla and chocolate ice cream, the white chocolate fountain, the ice cream bar, and the crepe station, which are always a hit with kids and kids at heart. At Food Club Appetizer Mall, the food choices are extensive. Every station is designed to satisfy every craving. This buffet gives you a feast worth coming back for. Combined with enticing deals for birthday celebrants, new graduates, big groups, kids, students, seniors, and PWDs, as well as their daily dining buffet promo at discounted rates, and an easy payment service for a hassle-free experience. At Food Club, cashless and card transactions are fully accepted. Food Club Pisar Mall is more than just a buffet. It's your lifestyle buffet. For inquiries and dining reservations, call 0917-700-3510 and 0917-700-3485. Please take note of Food Club Pisar Mall daily operating hours for lunch and dinner. See you on our next food trip for more food adventures and good eats. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.